Bonjour and welcome to French Pearl with Camille. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb chanter, to sing, in the present tense. Je chante, I sing or I am singing. Tu chantes, you sing, you are singing. Il chante, he sings or he is singing. Elle chante, she sings or she is singing. Nous chantons, we sing or we are singing. Vous chantez, you sing, you are singing. Ils chantent, they sing or they are singing. Elles chantent, they sing, they are singing. And now let's see some sentences with this verb in the present tense. Je chante souvent sous la douche. I often sing under the shower. Tu chantes toujours les mêmes chansons. You always sing the same songs. Elle chante avec passion. She sings passionately. Nous chantons ensemble pour les fêtes. We sing together at the parties. Vous chantez en harmonie. You sing harmoniously. Ils chantent à l'opéra. They sing at the opera. Elles chantent des chansons traditionnelles. They sing traditional songs. I know that I needn't ask you to subscribe. Au revoir.